Good morning, all of you. Let's continue part 4, chapter 3, class 8 science, polyester. Polyester is the most commonly used synthetic fiber, means it is also synthetic fiber. There is no natural material is used for making them. Polyester is often blended with other fibers, means blended means mix up with the other fibers. For example, it is blended with cotton to get polycot, means when this polyester blended with the cotton it get a polycot. Okay, it also blended with wool, means it can be blended with the wools to add seize resistance. Seize resistance is nothing else giving another name of wrinkle free resistance. And what is wrinkle free? We already known in the nylon and the rayon. And to form polywool, means when it get blended with the cotton it form a polycot. When it blended with the wool it form polywool. Clear? So let's take a property of the polyester. It is very strong and it seize resistance, means it is resistance and wrinkle free. You can wear them without ironing, and it durable, means for a long time you can wear it. It is water resistance, means it a pure absorbency, means it's not absorb the water, so it dry quickly. It is easy to wash and wear, means it is very easy to wash it. It easily be washed and wear, means there is no issue for ironing first and the wrinkles. Okay, and just like the in previous we have read in the nylon, the wear resistance also. It has tensile strength, means you can stretch this material, there will be no problem as the breakage of the cloth. It has the ability to retain its shape, means once you stretch it having the ability to come back in its shape again. Okay, retain means come back to its shape again. Then the next one, it is strain resistance and durable. What do you mean by strain resistant? Strain resistant is that means when you dump any food material or anything over these cloths, these can easily be washed and there is no removal of the basic color of that cloth. Means when you remove any strain from this cloth, it easily be washable and the color of that cloth will be maintained. Sometimes we see in the some cloth when we rub more for stain, for clean the stain, the color of that cloth is also be getting fade. So this problem is not with the polyesters. And durable means you can use it for a long time. Durable means long time. Okay, the life of that particular one is known as it is durable, means it can be used for a long time. Now what are the uses of it? It is mixed with natural fiber, as we see, to make fibers that are used to make suits, jackets, shirt, trousers, sarees and other dress material. Means as it is blended with some more cloth or mixed with some more cloth and make so many things. It is also used to make water hoses and firefighting and converses and conveyor belts. Means what do you mean by this? It is also used to make water hoses, pipes for firefighting. Means when a fire is getting on to any place, then we call the fire brigade, and with the help of water hoses, with the help of long pipes, it can be controlled. So it is used for making water hoses or pipes for firefighting. And conveyor belt. Conveyor belt, what is conveyor belt? Conveyor belt is a belt we can see in the when the packaging of products is carrying on, the two metallic pulleys is fitted with the conveyor belt, and one by one the products are coming and they are packed. So it is rotate conventionally. Okay, it is rotated. So it is known as conveyor belt. Means the belt is rotated with the help of pulleys and your material is passed on to the further place. So that is conveyor belt. So this is also used in it. PAT. What is the full form of PAT? Polythene terephthalate. Polythene terephthalate. Okay, it is a full form of PAT. The plastic form of polyester means it is the plastic form of polyester. Sometimes the question can be arise that what is PAT? So PAT is the plastic form of polyester. Is used in making bottles, jar and utensils. Okay, just like this bottle. Okay. Next one, it is used for making light-weighted sails in sailing boats. It is used for making lightweight sails in sailing boat. Look at the figure. This is a sailing boat and this material, this cloth material is made by the polyester because it's a light-weighted. Okay. So it also used in the sails also. Thank you. We continue in the next